Alright, so I'm gonna show why this retard is wrong. Alright, like, okay, now, how the fuck do left-handed people open the fridge, open the fucking fridge? So to show that I'm still, left-handed primarily, look at this. You stupid. This is me towards him. It looks fucking fabulous. Look at this shit. And it's gonna be really awkward. You stupid. And this is him saying, no, I'm not. I'm so fucking autistic. Oh my god. Alright, see, that clearly shows I'm still left-handed, so look at this shit. Alright, so now
I should ask you. You guys are in my house.